What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, and Price is my name. In this video, let's bake some potatoes. They are very easy to make. I've finished washing my potatoes and I'm cutting them into a very nice potato wedges. And after, I'll put some vegetables and then I'll mix the ingredients. Let's get started. Here are my ingredients. I'll go ahead and put cooking oil, a pinch of salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and black pepper. Mix very well and add my vegetables. I have my baking tray that has a foil paper. Make sure you spread the potatoes to give some space. So next, I'm just going to cover it with another foil so that the foil helps the potatoes to cook faster by trapping the heat and the moisture into it. I'm going to place this in the oven at 230 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. And once the 20 minutes are over, I'm going to remove it from the oven, remove the foil, and return them back again in the oven. Bake them for 15 minutes. I got this pineapple 2 weeks ago, but today I've decided let me blend it and have pineapple juice. The 20 minutes are over, so I have to remove the foil and put them back in the oven for 15 minutes and they will be good to go. Here are my potatoes. They are ready and they have come out nicely and they are crispy. You can serve this with pork ribs or nyama choma. Thank you so much guys for watching, and here is my pineapple juice. God bless you. Love you.